Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, February 9th. I'm Marv Eisen, and we start out the day, as we do every day, looking at the economic calendar to check if there are going to be any market-moving announcements. And today, February 9th, two Fed governors will speak, a Fed president, a Fed governor. Not going to be market-moving, so we will move on from there. Moving on to the morning news, and I use CNBC. There's nothing remarkable. I've just gone through it quickly. CVS fourth quarter earnings top expectations. Well, I guess they've sold enough medications. I'm going to move over to my Emini chart. Before I do, a couple of announcements that I saw from yesterday. I really feel badly for the energy companies. As you know, we're all subject to this massive inflation, and price rises typically start with energy prices, and energy prices drive the cost of virtually everything else. So yesterday I saw this announcement: Exxon posts biggest profit in 7 years. I really feel badly for those guys. Good news, if you are working for Exxon, you will most likely get your Christmas bonus this year. Same thing with BP. BP Oil records highest profit in 8 years. You guys will get your Christmas bonus as well. Moving along to the Emini. Now, we want our Christmas bonus too, don't we, guys? So I just want to make this very short, because many of you who see my videos, a lot more see my videos than actually follow through with what I tell you. The only reason to trade is to make money. I'm going to repeat that. The only reason to trade is to make money. And the only way to make money is know what the smart money knows, what the big boys know. And I tell you this every day. And so if you've been trading and you've been watching my videos and you haven't been as profitable as you'd like, listen to me. I teach an E-mini trading course. I teach E-mini trading in a very inexpensive E-mini trading course, but don't even take my course, okay? Take my free course. I have a free course on how to avoid the mistakes and pitfalls that most traders, especially beginning traders, make. But I have an even better deal for you. If you knew where the market was going to go every day, you have to make money. There's no other way I can say this. If you know where the market is going to go, you have to make money. I tell people who subscribe to my Trading Zone subscription service where the market is going to go every day. And I'm going to use yesterday as an example. Yesterday, here was the trading zone that I sent out. The numbers were 44.43 on the support and 45.05 on the resistance. The market traded, for the most part, in that envelope all day. But Marv, you say, I didn't know whether it was going to go up or down. And look over here, it traded outside the trading zone. And it didn't go down to the bottom over here. Listen carefully. What you do, you subscribe to my subscription service that costs you about 1.5 points on an E-mini contract. Okay? You take my numbers, and I'm going to clone this, and I'm going to clone it to where the support number matches where the market reached its low yesterday. And I'm going to bring that right up here. Okay? The people who subscribe to my service know about transposing the trading zone. You don't. You don't even have the trading zone. But here, the trading zone exactly shows you where prices were going to trade from the morning until they topped out in the afternoon, or even over here in the afternoon. I will send you this information every day. In fact, I'll send it to you for free for a week. But if you are trading and you are not subscribed to my Trading Zone subscription service, and you don't want to take a trading course, I understand. You're so smart, you don't know, you don't really need to know anything because you know everything. At least take my A, free course to tell you what to look for, the pitfalls that the market uses to trick you, and B, enroll or subscribe to my monthly Trading Zone subscription service. Go to my site at timelessdollar.com. Take these actions, you will be a successful, profitable trader. And if you have been losing money, you'll stop losing money. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. I'm sorry I'm coming off a little edgy, but at least we can feel good for the guys at BP and Exxon. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.